Today we're going to learn how to use the Chrome Capture extension from the Google Chrome Web Store so that we can take screenshots and short animations and videos for our students. Often as teachers, we find that we tend to repeat instructions for our students, or they keep asking us the same types of prompts. So this is a great tool to be able to predict those type of instructions that we are going to have to repeat to our students and house them in a place where students can always refer back and access them. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on our main Google page, and we're going to search in the search bar the Chrome Web Store, and it's that first link at the top, Chrome Web Store. Then we're going to flip over to extensions right here on the left, and we're going to type the name of that app, which is Chrome Capture. Just select that one. Then it should be the first one that appears. We're going to click this blue Add to Chrome button, and then we're going to click on Add Extension. And then you should see it appear here at the top of your toolbar. Now, just a couple notes is that Chrome Capture doesn't capture certain web pages like this Chrome Web Store page or also the Google browser page. So those type of pages will not be able to use for this extension. So let's get started. We're going to flip over to a Google Doc as our example. And now we're going to select the Chrome Capture extension. So let's click it here at the top. And you'll notice that it says to click and drag the selected region. So I'm going to hold down my right click and select exactly what I would like to highlight. Before getting started, you might want to check your settings for Chrome Capture. There's this gear icon here at the top right. And I can adjust my settings here, my frames per second, to either 4, 6, 8, or 10 frames per second. The more frames per second, the bigger the file size. So I like to leave it at around 8. And then when I'm done, I can just close the editor tab here at the top by clicking the X. If this is the size that I want, I can either take my screenshot at the bottom and see here at the bottom left button. And right there I have my screenshot. And as soon as I'm done, I can click Save here at the left. And then it goes into my downloads. Now, if I want to go back to the image here, and now I say I want to record an actual video, and maybe I want to adjust the size, I can always adjust the size a lot larger by extending the box. And now I'm ready to capture what's next. So now I'll click the recording button, and I'll show my students how to insert an image into a Google Doc. And then when I'm finished, I just click the record button again. The editor will open back up, and then there is my file. So I can also add some other pieces to that. I also have some arrows that I can add in, some text if I want to add some other information, or even some icons to that file. As soon as I'm ready, I have the save icon here, the last one on the left side. Notice here it says the estimated file size is really large, so I might want to choose the optimized size, and you can see it greatly is reduced the file size. And then as soon as I have everything exactly the way I want, so I'll name this file for myself. I always find it helpful to name the files as what the students will use. So again, if they want to do any keyword search in their Google Drive, this helps them to be able to find exactly what it is. As soon as I have everything labeled exactly the way that I want, I'm just going to click Save. And just like the previous, it will save to my downloaded section. So that's how we can use the Chrome Capture extension to take screenshots, to be able to take short videos for our students.